If you watched last week's video, you saw that I had the Jeep running and drawing fuel from the fuel tank, not just pouring fuel into the carburetor. So it was running and on its own, but there was a fuel leak. What I think is causing it is when I took the fuel lines off, I put thread sealer on them and put them back in, but I don't think that I got them clean enough. So I'm going to take this fuel line off and the fuel line into the fuel pump, and I'm going to take them over to the wire wheel and clean those threads off good on the fuel line and on the 90 degree, on both ends of this and the little one that feeds the fuel pump from the rubber hose. So I'm going to get those apart, clean them up, clean the threads up on the wire wheel, put fresh thread sealer on them and put that back together. And then I'll probably let that sit. I don't think I'm going to fire it up tonight because I want that thread sealer to dry up good. I don't want to put it in there wet and then fire it up when the fuel get to it and possibly leak again. So like I said, I'll clean them up, put new thread sealer on them, put it back together, and let it set till next week. I don't know how well you can see this, but it looks like when I had the wrench on it, pushed in a little bit right there, and it made that out of round, so I'm not confident I'll get a good seal there. And I'm thinking I may just go in and buy 3 new ones. That way I know they're new, the teeth won't, or the threads won't be damaged. Yeah, I'm just going to replace these just to be safe. Well, I just spent probably a good hour going to 6 different stores to try to find this part. You know how hard it is to find this part? I went to automotive stores, I went to Tractor Supply stores, I even went to Ace Hardware. Nobody has them. So now it's frustrating. I said in the last video, I think one of the last videos, that even when you find something wrong and know the cause, it's still progress because you know the cause, you know the fix. But this really feels like a step backwards, man. I'm trying to make progress, and I've disassembled what I already had assembled and can't put it back together and fix it. So it's frustrating, but it is what it is. I'll probably get online. I'll probably get online and order some of these. Try to get them here as soon as I can. But tonight was kind of a bust. It happens. Frustrating, but it happens. So I think I'm gonna call it a night early and get inside and get some stuff done in the house. Yeah, NDT 1/8 inch. I call it a 90 degree. I think the kid at the parts store called it an L series or something like that. Who knew? Well, we'll get these on order. I've got some other parts coming, so we'll see what we can get done next time. Thanks for watching. Right here. This one from here down there. We get fur and stuff. An alcohol. The shop cat.